Hi, my name is HansDockter. I'm the founder of Gradle and the CEO of Gradleware, and I would like to talk about some of the upcoming new features you can expect from Gradle 1.0 and beyond. So tomorrow or beginning of next week we will release our 1.0 milestone 4, and the focus of this release is to add a lot of functionality to improve the tooling support, so to make it really easy for IDEs to integrate with Gradle. We are very excited that IDE 11 will come with built-in Gradle support. We are of course also very excited about the existing Eclipse STS Gradle support. So that's one feature of this release, and the other is a new local dependency cache. We call it an enterprise dependency cache because it solves many of the problems you often have with current caches. So the specialty of that is that the cache is, there's a separate cache per repository. That means often the local cache is hiding problems. For example, when you change the repository and it doesn't contain all the dependencies the old repository has contained, the local cache still has the jar, right? Then the build works on your machine, but it won't work on any other machine which does a fresh check out. And there are many problems like that, where the local cache produces inconsistent behavior, irreproducible behavior, and so that's something we tackled in that release. The next big thing we are tackling is to improve our Maven integration. So you can already import POM.xml files, but for example, custom plugins are not taken into consideration right now if you do that. So we are working on a really deep Maven import. Basically, execute your Maven build as reliable and as 100% as you can do it with Maven. The other thing we're trying to improve is to provide a really nice home for all the external contributions we are getting. This is really exploding. We're very, very excited about it. People providing Flex support, new reports, and all different kind of stuff. So, but right now we don't have a nice plugin portal to capture all those external contributions, to make it easy to add them to your build. So this is something which is high priority for us, to provide a really good plugin portal with automated testing, which gives you feedback whether a plugin still works with the latest version of Gradle and stuff like that. Another big thing is for us is the whole performance side of builds. So we're working on parallel and distributed builds, and also provide special support for distributed integration testing. Actually, I forgot to add one feature we're going to release tomorrow in M4. It's the first initial implementation of the CC++ support, and that will grow, that will enhance. So we are very excited about that. CC++ support is the most requested platform besides Java for Gradle, and we are very happy to make progress on that. Another very important issue on our roadmap is what we call the beyond build issues. So modeling the full, modeling deployment, modeling release management in a very, in a way that is that really gives you a toolkit to describe any complexity of release process you have in your enterprise. We're working on many innovations to the core of Gradle. So dependency-based programming, right, is a feature shared between many build systems, right? But there's a lot of innovation waiting in that area. A lot of smartness we can add. So we thinking about stuff like initializers and finalizers tasks to solve many problems more elegantly than with actions. There's also a lot of ideas we have for making our configuration richer, so to deal better with order dependency issues, to make it more efficient, to make it more lazily. So there's a lot of stuff we also want to do in that area. Yeah, that's some of the upcoming features you can expect from Gradle, and we're excited. We're working on them, and yeah, thank you.